Hey guys, today I'll be unboxing the Gopro HD Hero Motorsports edition. And here we go. Here it is, guys. And also got the tripod mount as well. Very sturdy case. Wow. Having a hard time getting this out. Alright, took me a while, but I finally got that tough case out of the way. And this is the camera itself. This inside protective housing right here, which seals tight from the top. Right. This is all the mounts and instruction manual should be in there. Go ahead and open that. This one's not as tough as the other one. Okay. It comes with a battery, instruction manual, and this is the back part you can switch out. This is the waterproof one, and this would be the non-waterproof one. And this one is better for better sound recording because they have holes in it. Okay. We got the USB cable. Package of mounts, which varies. Oh, and this bad boy is the suction cup, which I heard is very, very sturdy. You can even go skydiving and it won't budge. Composite cable and component cable, and that's it. Oh yeah, guys, don't throw this away. You can use this for a stand as well, just like this. Snaps right on. There you go. Oh, that's it. Guys, thanks for watching.